Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we will learn about the Himalaya ranges. Alright, Himalayas are the series of mountain ranges. It is supported and bordered by Karakoram range and Hindu Kush ranges. Himalaya is a chain of ranges, a series of mountain ranges in the northern part of the country. These mountains are very high in the world. Himalaya range is bordered by Karakoram range and the Hindu Kush range. Him means snow and Arya means boat. So Himalaya means boat of snow. Himalaya consists of three great ranges: Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya and Lesser Himalaya. World highest peak Mount Everest is situated in Himalaya ranges. Nanga Parbat is also in the range. Some trade passes are also made these days. So the trade between the neighboring country with our neighboring countries can get easy. Greater Himalaya is covered with snow throughout the year. These mountains have large pieces of snow ice that is called glaciers. You know what is glaciers? From which the river is formed through its melting. When the ice melts, the river is formed. The famous river Indus comes from the Himalaya range. Middle Himalaya is situated in the district of Rawalpindi. It is found between the Greater and the Lesser Himalaya range. Beautiful valley of Kashmir is situated in the place. Hill stations of Mari, Natyagali, Ghodagarhi are located in this range. Soil of this range is suitable for growing crops. These mountains have thick forest of pine woods. Juniper forest is also there. Specialty of these forests are apple trees and tea plants. Lesser Himalaya is made up of mud and soft rocks. It is situated on the Rawalpindi. It is around 1800 to 4600 meters above the sea level. Terrace farming is also somewhat practiced here. You know what is terrace farming? The mountains are cut into steps because the soil of this mountain is suitable for farming. So some crops can also be grown on the Lesser Himalaya. Now the Greater Himalaya. It is very difficult to breathe because the atmosphere is very thin over here. Why the mountains are important? Because it protects us from the storm. And the snow of this Greater Himalaya help us to originate the river and a fertile soil for forest. There are very thick forests which are home for many animals. Animals also get shelter from this forest. And for the tourism, it is very attractive for the landsliding, glider riding, ice skating, cliffing and all.